My name is Mark Montori. I'm from Palm Beach Gardens, Florida.
And I'm Fran Montori, his mother, and I'm also from Palm Beach Gardens, Florida.
We needed a way to get my mother to the top floor. We found this community. It's a brand new community being built here in Palm Beach Gardens. We love the area. We love this model, this specific model we loved. And unfortunately, the master is on the top floor.
And the house was just so beautiful. I mean, I just loved the house and said, how are we going to get up there? How am I going to get up there?
The first thing that came to mind was the chairlift, the chairlifts that go up the stairs.
I also was afraid of them. I was afraid to get onto it because I was afraid I was going to fall off the chair.
And then we started talking to people, and the elevator adds value to your home. And it was just from that point on, it was a no-brainer.
I feel very safe in the elevator. It's just something that I've gotten used to it. I push the button and wait for it to come down. The little light goes off, I open the door. I use it constantly to take things up and down the stairs.
And the cube is, I think, a lot more, in my opinion, a lot more modern than the circular one. And we knew it was going to go on this wall. And we knew it would fit perfectly, the cube would fit perfectly on this wall. And from there on, it was perfect from there on. Especially this room that we're in right now was designed around this elevator. Between the sliding doors, between the woodwork on the stairs, it was all designed around the elevator. We actually almost picked we picked the elevator out before we picked this model.
Yes, we did, yeah.
We picked the elevator out first.
As soon as they walk in, they go, oh wow, look at this room, look at this elevator. This elevator is so different, it's great. It fits in with everything in your whole decor. Everybody that comes in the house comments about the elevator.
It was great from start to finish. It was great. They were in and out in 3 days. I mean, very neat. The crew is excellent, professional, very friendly.
It's wonderful. It's wonderful. I don't have to worry about going up the stairs. I use the elevator several times a day to go up and down. It was a blessing.
And I'll tell you a quick story. Recently, we had a power outage while she was going up in the elevator. And it just came right back down. All the air came out and it just went right back down. There was no worries, no panicking, nothing.
No, that was really, came right down to the main floor.
So we went down to the factory down in Miami, and they gave us a tour, and it was amazing seeing the product at all different stages of how it was being built. Where from start to finish, every piece of the elevator is built in one spot. Made in the USA instills confidence, and seeing it all being built in that one section, if there ever is a problem, I mean, you're right there. The parts are here, you can get them right away.
They took pride in what they were doing, and you could see it on their faces.
Especially, I would recommend to anyone who has difficulty getting up steps or who has mobility issues. I mean, that opens them up to a whole nother level of a house now where they wouldn't be able to go up to.
Absolutely, because it makes life so much easier for you.
Without this elevator, she probably wouldn't be...
I would probably come down once in the morning and go up once at night, probably crawling up the steps too.
Right.
That's how bad it is. But this just made my life so easy. I can't say enough good things about it. It just makes you normal again.